We live in the age of anxiety, hence my two phones that are on me at all times, and we're always on the go. But there are some all-natural solutions to help you deal with that anxiety, and I'm here with Dr. Mindy Barrows to tell us more. And let's talk about this product and how it can help us.
Well, there are over 40 million people in the United States that deal with some form of anxiety.
Wow.
Almost 7 million people deal with a general anxiety disorder. And so as a result, we need a product that's going to be safe and effective, that's easy to take, and this product fits the bill. AngioCalm here is from a product that we really know about that helps the immune system, and that is Echinacea. And Echinacea we always turn to for colds and flu season.
Oh, fascinating.
But this comes from a different part of the plant. It comes from the root of the Echinacea angustifolia plant. And it has ingredients in there that have been proven in Europe. In fact, this is a prescription medication in Europe. And it's been proven to help anxiety. And it starts just the first time you take it.
Fascinating. So, say you don't deal with anxiety too much, which I imagine a lot of us deal with it on a regular basis.
We do.
But big test today.
Take that in the morning?
Take it in the morning. You can take 40 milligrams, and that should help to alleviate that anxiety. You can take it long term to help with anxiety that you have every day. But you're right. We are in an age of anxiety, and we're all experiencing it more and more.
Right.
And, you know, the symptoms are varied depending upon the person. We're all unique. So it's going to be things like digestive disorders. Some of us hold anxiety in our stomach. We have to run to the bathroom when we feel anxiety. Some of us are going to have what we call panic attacks. And that's where all of a sudden it can hit us. We feel like our heart is coming out of our chest. Our palms get sweaty. It can be headaches, it can be worry, it can be sleepless nights. So anxiety doesn't have just one way that we experience it. Anxiety can be experienced in several different ways in any different person. So it's very safe, very effective. If you do need to take it over time, you're going to have lasting benefits. So if you do experience the panic attacks and you're prone to those, then you're going to want to take this daily.
And there's a lot of folks out there on anxiety drugs themselves. A doctor prescribes them, or even children on anxiety medications. Is this okay for the kids? And didn't you say too that, you know, this is prescribed in other countries?
It is prescribed in other countries. If someone is on anxiety medicine, they can take this with that at the same time. So there's not going to be a competition. It's definitely something that people can take as an adjunct with their medicine.
Gotcha.
Children can take it. In fact, anxiety, they're showing affects children as early as at age 7.
Wow.
So this is safe. It's effective. People can take it with other medications. It's not something that they have to do either or.
And I would imagine, you know, if you need to take it and your doctor prescribes it, it's one thing, but it's a nice thing to know there's no side effects. We all take a million medicines these days.
Oh, absolutely. And side effects are something, you know, sometimes the list is longer than what the actual ingredient is itself. This is one ingredient. And that is the AngioCalm is going to come from the Echinacea plant itself, and it affects the endocannabinoid system, which is going to help relieve stress overall.
And of course, we got to talk about the purity of brands too. There's a million products out on the market that claim things, and Terry Naturally is an amazing, well-studied brand.
Absolutely. What Terry's Naturally has done is taken ingredients from all over the world, studied them. There's clinical studies for all of his products, and as we talked about, they're safe, they're effective, but there's also truth in labeling. And what I mean by that is what a Terry's Naturally product has on the label, there's going to be 100% of that ingredient. No adulteration, Adulteration means that it's been other ingredients added to it.
Interesting.
And there's no adulteration with that.
To learn more about this product, you can go online to naturesoutlet.net. They also have coupons there. If you'd like to learn more, you can give them a call, 434-215-3102, or visit one of the area locations for Nature's Outlet in Forest, Roanoke, Martinsville, and Salem.